Welcome. Shelly Saenz-Haro here, and it's time to put on our realtor hat. Do that quick. And then also to become a social butterfly. Put that on as well. Now we're ready. And I have an Etsy shop that I want to invite realtors to go and take a look if this would meet some of your marketing needs. But I have a cute one that I'm going to go over today. It's cookies for you and Santa. And so this one is really cute. I'm going to cut out. But if you have someone that you want to refer to me that's moving to the DFW area or in need of any help, I'd be happy to show them around and of course get you your commission at closing. And you can contact me with my email and then of course my information if you want to message me, and we'll be able to discuss further. All right, and so one more cut here. There we go. And now we're going to punch a hole here at the top. But I found these cookies. I thought they were really cute at Dollar Tree. And here's like a Santa belt, and then here another cookie, holiday cookie. And the confetti as well, I found at Family Dollar. And then the plastic bag at Kroger, you get $75 for a really good price. So we'll put those two in there. And then of course your business card. And what I do with mine is I put a tiny key just to make it memorable. And I do sell the tiny key in my shop as well. Put in here. And let's give this a quick spin. Okay. And we'll get some ribbon. I have some right here. Oh, this one's kind of tiny. Let me see if I have better ribbon. Yeah, let me get this here quick. Okay. And then we'll feed it through here. Now, if you are in need of a realtor, I'll be happy to help you as well. And like I was saying, I'm here in the DFW area as well. I do specialize in residential. And you can message me, email me, and we can set up an appointment to discuss your real estate needs. All right, I'm almost done here. Here we go, a little bow. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. You'll be able to share with your clients. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.